Hi, my friends. On Monday, we do not have school. The reason why we do not have school is because of this man. His name is Christopher Columbus. Actually, he's right over there. There. There you go. There. He's right there. Um, so today I have a nice little video all about Christopher Columbus. And then I have a really cool dot to dot activity for you to do in Seesaw. So I hope you enjoyed the story. I'm going to sit and watch it with you because I'm pretty excited myself. So enjoy the show, enjoy the story. It's really, really a great story. And you're going to learn a lot about Christopher Columbus. So here we go. How great was that story, my friends? I think it was a super great story. All about Christopher Columbus having a dream and then he actually followed it. And then because he did this and he taught everybody, everybody started to follow him and do what he did. It was amazing. That's how all these lands have been found. Pretty cool, huh? Explorers, get a thumbs up for me. All right, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful day off on Monday and just have a great, great, great day, my friends. All right. See you later, alligators. If I can figure out how to. There it is.